Ta-da! Our 6-in-1 USB-C multifunctional hub. This one appears to be for the Mac, MacBook Air 13, MacBook Pro 13-inch, and 13-inch touch bar, 15-inch touch bar, and features a Thunderbolt connection, USB 3, SD card, TF card on the top, you know what? And then two more USB 3. Let's give you a nice, there's the Thunderbolt, USB 3, 3 and 3 down there, 3 of them. And then SD card on the bottom and a TF card on the top. Anything in here? I guess that just plugs right in and expands your ports. So there you have it. There's that. Anything else in here? USB 3, 5 gigabytes a second data transfer. Downward compatible to USB 2. Power supply up to 4.5 watts. I have this information sheet. I am going to include that in the product description and as a download. So review this before you purchase to make sure that this is compatible with your device.